we're now in the kitchen to come and fry our pancakes. So you'll need adult or guardian supervision for this because it can get quite hot. So we've got our frying pan and on our stove, and I'm going to switch our setting onto number 4 as it needs to be quite hot in order for the pancake to cook, but just be really careful because it can get hot. So we've got our pan on, just going to pour some oil in, just a little bit of oil, and that needs to get really nice and hot. Just move that around, make sure it gets on every edge. And then over here I've filled our jug, which we're going to pour the batter in with the jug into the pan, and I filled that to about 15 millilitres. That's the right size, as you don't want your pancake too big. So got our spatula ready too, put that on there. So our pan's nice and warm now, and when you pour your batter in you'll hear it sizzle, and that's how you know it's the right temperature. So I'll pour this in now, and I've got to move the pancake round so all the batter covers, and then you leave it about, it says on the packet to leave it 1 minute each side. Now if you do have a gas oven, make sure you don't put the plastic near the flame, otherwise it will go up on fire. So if you look at the pancake, it's cooking quite nicely. So we'll leave that a few more seconds, and you'll start to notice on the edge that it'll start to brown up, and that's when you know you can flip it. So we'll give that a minute or two still. And if you can still see bits of batter that are runny, just move it round again. Right, so I can see it starting to brown around the edges now. Give it another couple of seconds. Right, I'll give it a flip now. You can do this with a spatula, or you can flip it if you wanted to. So that's nice and brown on this side, and it needs to cook about a minute on the other side now, so it's all fully cooked, because you don't want to be eating raw batter. So give that a minute. While that's cooking, you can make sure you've got your plate ready for your pancake to go onto. So I'll get the plate. Just check this. And you can do it either way. You can bring the plate over, or your parent or guardian can help you carry the pan over to the plate. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pop that onto the plate like so. And the pan will still be really hot. Remember to turn off the top, otherwise you don't want that left on. Now I'm just going to take this over to the sink so no one burns themselves. Pop that in there. And here we've got our pancake. So depending on how you like your pancake, I like mine with sugar and lemon. So get a spoon, get some sugar, and just sprinkle a little bit on. You can have Nutella or strawberries with this. I've got some lemon juice. You can have fresh lemon or not, and I'm just going to pour some of that on. And there's your pancake ready to eat. And your batter will probably make you about 3 to 4 pancakes, so you can have a nice little stack of them. But thanks.